The Moondrop PILL OWS ear clip earbuds represent a significant leap forward in open-ear audio technology, combining innovative engineering with practical, everyday functionality. These aren't your typical wireless earbuds. They're designed to deliver high-quality sound while maintaining awareness of your surroundings, making them ideal for everything from workouts to commuting. Let's break down what makes these unique earbuds stand out in the crowded audio market. At the heart of the Moondrop PILL's impressive audio performance lies its specialized 13mm dynamic driver system. This isn't just any driver, it's been meticulously engineered with ultra-high efficiency and ultra-low natural frequency characteristics, combined with a long-stroke wideband design and compressed fiber diaphragm. What does this technical jargon translate to in real-world use? You get exceptionally clear, detailed sound reproduction across the entire frequency range with particularly impressive bass response that's rare for open-ear designs. The drivers work in harmony with Moondrop's brand new VDSF tuning specifically optimized for open-ear headphones measured using B and K5128 equipment, ensuring audio that's both natural and immersive. One of the most impressive feats Moondrop has achieved with the PILL is its bass performance. Open-ear designs traditionally struggle with bass reproduction, but Moondrop has implemented multiple solutions to overcome this. Their patent-pending adaptive bass enhancement algorithm works in real time to shape natural, punchy low-end response. This is further enhanced by the physical design, an oversized rear cavity that naturally boosts bass depth without muddying the sound. The result is bass that you can actually feel, something nearly unheard of in open-ear designs. The physical design of the PILL shows equal attention to detail. The shape memory silicone C-bridge combines TPU and titanium alloy for a perfect balance of flexibility and durability. This innovative material choice means the earbuds maintain a secure, comfortable fit throughout long listening sessions while being resilient enough to withstand daily use. The smooth surfaces and skin-friendly materials ensure they won't cause irritation even during extended wear, and the open-ear design means no ear fatigue from having buds stuffed in your ear canals. Moondrop has tackled one of the biggest challenges of open-ear audio with their dipole directional sound transmission technology. This clever engineering significantly reduces sound leakage, meaning you can enjoy your music without everyone around you hearing it too. It's a game-changer for using audio devices in public spaces without disturbing others. Battery life is another area where the PILL shines. The earbuds themselves deliver up to 8 hours of continuous playback, 20 hours with the charging case, with an impressive 35 plus 90 hours of standby time. The universal charging case design is particularly thoughtful. You can place the earbuds in the case without worrying about left/right orientation, a small but meaningful quality of life improvement. Charging is straightforward with standard 5V/1A input, making it easy to power up anywhere. For tech enthusiasts, the PILL offers an impressive array of customizable features. The one-click auto EQ makes it simple to tailor the sound profile to your preferences, while the second-generation online interactive DSP provides virtually unlimited tuning options for those who want to dive deeper into audio customization. The included Moondrop app unlocks even more functionality, allowing you to tweak settings and toggle features to create your perfect listening experience. Gamers will appreciate the 55 milliseconds low-latency game mode, which switches seamlessly from music playback to gaming when needed. The bass control offers 3 distinct tuning options, letting you adjust the low-end response to match your content or mood. Call quality is handled by an MPU hardware-level AI noise cancellation microphone system that ensures clear voice pickup even in noisy environments. A feature that's become increasingly important in our era of constant video calls and mobile communication. Connectivity options are thoroughly modern, with Bluetooth 6.0 ensuring stable connections up to 10 meters in barrier-free environments. The dual-device connectivity is a particularly useful feature, allowing seamless switching between 2 paired devices, perfect for those who juggle between a phone and computer throughout the day. The complete package includes the PILL earbuds, charging cable, manual, certificate, and service card. While they support SBC and AAC codecs, but not higher-end options like aptX or LDAC, the thoughtful tuning and driver technology ensure audio quality that punches above its weight class. What makes the Moondrop PILL truly special is how it balances audiophile-grade sound with practical open-ear convenience. Whether you're an athlete needing situational awareness during workouts, a commuter who wants to hear station announcements, or just someone who prefers not having earbuds sealed in your ears all day, the pill offers a compelling alternative to traditional wireless earbuds. The combination of innovative acoustic engineering, comfortable design, and smart features creates a listening experience that's both high fidelity and practical for daily life.